kids, welcome to Gugu Kids TV. Let's learn phonics. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for alligator. B for ball, B for bag, B for basket, B for bat. C for cat, C for car, C for cake, C for cow. D for dog, D for duck, D for drum, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant, E for ear, E for eye. F for fan, F for flower, F for frog, F for finger. G for goat, G for grass, G for goal, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen, H for house, H for horse. I for India, I for igloo, I for insect, I for inkpot. J for jug, J for zip, J for jar, J for joker. K for key, K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for king. L for luck, L for leaf, L for lamp, L for leg. M for moon, M for mug, M for monkey, M for mop. N for notebook, N for nest, N for net, N for nose. O for orange, O for octopus, O for owl, O for ox. P for parrot, P for pot, P for pencil, P for pineapple. Q for queen, Q for quail, Q for quill, Q for quilt. R for ring, R for rocket, R for rabbit, R for robot. S for sun, S for snake, S for swan, S for scooter. T for tomato, T for tiger, T for train, T for tree. U for umbrella, U for unicorn, U for uniform, U for on. V for van, V for violin, V for vegetable, V for vulture. W for watch, W for wheel, W for watermelon, W for well. X for xylophone, X for X-ray fish, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yogurt. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Z for zigzag. Z for zoo.